Hi, it's Tommy here, and I'm the writer of the Explorational Journeys Part 1 and Self Help Guide. We're starting our next chapter, which is I Realized I Was Enough, and we're cultivating self worth today. With our activity 1 is affirmation of creation. Goal: building a fundamental of positive self-talk. Steps: write down 3 limiting beliefs that hold about yourself. For example, I'm not good enough. I always fail. Step 2: transform each belief into a positive affirmation. For example, I am capable and deserving of success. Step 3: repeat these affirmations daily, especially during moments of self-doubt. Reflection: how does these affirmations shift your perspective on your self-worth? So don't forget to click like and subscribe at the bottom, and it'll be great to hear from you soon.